I've been doing Faith Pacific Sunday School now for 28 years, my 28th year this year. I started in the early 90s under guidance of Elis Salima Risale. He was my mentor and my teacher, and from then on I just continued to develop within the Sunday school and the Junio Youth. He was teaching back then, it was Salima Risale, Besita Vaenga. But before them, they would also teach, there was also Koti Leota and Lillian Felangai. They were also my senior. So they were the piano players back then in the 80s and 70s, I think it was.
How important is music in God's ministry?
I think it's very important because it brings people into God's presence in worship and individual worship, as well as in the whole congregational worship, and just bringing people into God's presence. I think developing their talents more, singing, and the musical side of things within the church. I think it's really important. It's been a real journey, ups and downs, a lot of challenges, but also a lot of rewarding moments within the Ngaluenga, within the Sunday school and the youth. I think one of the biggest downfalls is that a lot of our generation, my generation now, no longer come to church. There's a very few of us left, but I would like to challenge the new generation, this generation, to stand firm within your faith here within the Whakasa, and to continue to grow, to go forward, to develop in God's calling here in the church, and stick within the Whakasa.
What's your main rules when it comes to practice?
All cell phones off. No, I just want everybody's attention to be on what you're doing at the time. Respect to the music team, because it's not easy teaching nearly 100 voices and trying to teach all the parts and to bring everybody together. So yeah, have that in mind. If it's not Jesus texting you, I don't want to see you on your phones. I think my number one advice would be, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and to use your talents. So many of our Pacifica people, our Samoan, especially in Samoan churches, feel shy to bring their talents out into the open. And my encouragement is for any of the youth out there within our church to use your talents, musical talents, vocal talents, whatever God has blessed you with, bring it out. Bring it out. White Sunday is this Sunday, the 8th of October, starting at 9 o'clock. See you there.